In this tutorial, I will show you image mode in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. I have opened a beautiful image which I collected from Pixabay, and I have opened the channel here, image channel, so that I can demonstrate it. So here is image and this is mode. You can see this is RGB color, RGB, this is RGB, red, green, blue. This channel are red, green, blue channel. If I select mode CMYK color and you are about to convert, it is converting. So you can see now this is CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow and black. So you can easily convert any image mode from the image mode here. Also here is lap color. Lap color, you can see this is lap color, this is lightness A and B. Actually lap color is the image mode where it do not change any color parameters in any devices. It's fixed in, its parameters are fixed in every device. Also here is multi-channel. You can see this is multi-channel. I would like to get back multi-channel lap color. This is, so now this is I am going to multi-channel mode, and you can see that this is multi-channel mode. You can see this is cyan, this is magenta, this is yellow and this is black. So this is multi-channel mode. I am undoing it and undoing CMYK color. Now I am going to mode grayscale mode. You can see discard color information to control the auto conversion. Use this is image adjustment black and white. This is discard. So I am now in gray cycle mode. You can see this is gray cycle 8-bit image. So gray cycle mode is shades of black. You can see I am zooming it and you can see all are shades of black. These are shades of black. After accessing gray circle, I am going to bitmap, and you can see here is resolution 72 pixels. This is, and here are some method. I am remaining it default and press it OK. Now it is bitmap image. Here is, you can see there is no bit. This is bitmap. Bitmap image is purely black and white. You can see this is all are black and white. It converts images in pure black and pure white images. So I am undoing bitmap. So this is grayscale. So after accessing grayscale, I am going to duotone. You can see duotone means is you can select colors from here. So this is monotone, it is completely black. If you select duotone, you can select, you can provide any color in the images. You can select tritone, you can add more color. If you select quadtone, you can add more color from here. So this is, I am selecting duotone and OK. So this is green and this is OK. So in this way you can add particular color in the image. I am undoing duotone and now I am accessing the indexed color. So this is indexed color. You can see this is indexed color mode. Index color mode. After I would like to go back here, gray cycle, and this is RGB. Now I am accessing indexed color from here. So when you can see this is palette, this is local palette, few palettes here, local, selective, this is default, and here is color. If you select index color mode, you can adjust the color. If you select 50 color, you can see now the image color is 50 colors. If you see, if you press 5 color, now the image has 5 color. Also you can see, you can select any color from here. If you select primary, this is primary, this is none. You can also make it none. So in this way you can fix the color from here. I am going to grayscale again and make it indexed color from here, flatten layers. Now you can see that here is a color table. It will show a color table, and you can see if you select black color, the image will be filled up by warm colors and spectrum. In this way you can make it warm color. So this is index color. Now I am changing it to RGB color, so this warm color will remain stay in the image now. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.